Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to promote Fiverr gigs and increase orders. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this website where I found a guide that explained 8 best ways to promote Fiverr gigs, free and paid methods. So the first way is get Fiverr gig SEO right. Fiverr needs to look for gigs that match the search intent of buyers. When they type something into the search bar and hit the search button, Fiverr populates a bunch of gigs that match their requirements. Optimizing your gig for Fiverr search algorithm will help you rank it on the first page of search results. For example, if a buyer is looking for content writers, they will type that into Fiverr search bar and see these results. This process essentially has 3 steps. Find the keywords that buyers are using. Use those keywords in your gig title, SEO title, description, and frequent asked questions. Put those keywords in the alt text of images for even better performance. So the second way is respond to buyers' requests. That plays a massive role in promoting your Fiverr gigs. The third way is create a blog the right way. The fourth way is drive traffic to your gig from Pinterest. So you can use Pinterest also to promote your gig. Promote your Fiverr gig through YouTube. You can also use the help of YouTube. Follow the legit routes to cold emailing. Leverage paid ads. And lastly, pay for a mention in roundup posts. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.